Okay, so a lot of you have been asking us questions about the simple ebook business model that we teach people who are just starting out. How does this ebook fit into the broader picture? Is it my only product that I need to create and sell? Should I create other products? Should I give it away? What about building a list of leads? So let me answer all those questions for you today. Number one, this ebook that you now have should be your primary product that you promote to people who have never heard of you before. We call these people cold traffic because they're not familiar with you yet, which is why it's best to start off selling them something inexpensive like your new $27 ebook. You should be sending as much traffic as you can to this single page that's built from the ground up to convince as many people as possible to buy your new book. You should test getting people to this page from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, your current website or blog, a podcast, affiliate partners. You should test running Facebook ads to this page. You should test running Google ads and YouTube ads to this page. There are so many great ways to get your ebook in front of tons of people, and we cover every traffic source you could possibly need inside of our one-page masterclass. And remember, you don't need to have all these different traffic sources working at the same time. You really only need one or two max. The key is to keep testing a strategy until it works and then focus solely on that single source of traffic. But here's the true key in turning a simple ebook business into a 6 or 7 figure per year business. Once someone buys your ebook, you need to continue both delivering value to them and creating new products for them to buy. You can create another ebook for them to buy, make a video course, start offering a done-for-you service, or even use the revenue you're already generating to create a physical product. In my experience, the best product to sell them after they buy your ebook is a mini course because it doesn't cost you anything to make other than your time, and it has the highest perceived value because it's more than just an ebook, it's video. And there are 2 places that you should attempt to get all of your new ebook buyers to buy your second product. The first place is right when they place their order for your ebook. SamCart lets you easily add a second product to your checkout process, either by setting up a pre-sale add-on or a post-sale one-click upsell. Either of these options is a simple way to get your new customers to buy a second product right when they're making that initial purchase. This simple technique can literally double your sales overnight. And it's how people just like you and me are making paid advertising work every single day, because they get their customers to spend 2 or 3 times more money on that first purchase, which allows them to more easily afford ads on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. The second place to promote your second product or any other products that you create later on are the days following they make that initial purchase. Since they bought from you, now you have their contact information, which allows you to follow up with them forever. You can send them emails, text messages, give them a call on the phone, or even use the ebook itself to promote your other products. The best place to start is to write a couple emails that get dripped out to every new customer as soon as they buy your product that lets them know about your second product. Those emails should point people directly to a new page that sells that second product, and you can follow the same exact process that we teach in the one-page blueprint. This simple technique can end up generating a ton of what we call back-end sales. Back-end sales are sales that you make from previous customers that have bought from you in the past, and these sales will eventually outweigh all of the sales you make from every new customer. This is the single most important tactic that the biggest brands online understand, while beginners don't. Your single biggest source of profit over the next 3, 4, or 5 years will be the money that you make from people who have already bought from you. These people know you, they like you, and they trust you because they've already bought from you. Your conversion rate when selling to these past customers will usually be 10 to 20 times higher, as opposed to selling to someone who's never heard from you before or to a lead who has never bought from you before. And this is why the single greatest opportunity for you is to continue creating products or recommending someone else's product to your past list of customers. And this is why we encourage beginners to start off with a cheap ebook as their first product. And it's why it's the best strategy by far, because it's far easier to sell a cheaper product than an expensive one, so that you don't have to be a master salesman yet, and it results in you getting 10 times more customers that you can sell your other products down the line. I can go into even more strategies for making these back-end sales if you all would like. Just let me know down in the comments what your questions are, and I'll help however I can. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and click like and hit subscribe so we can get this information into more hands. And if you haven't watched our free masterclass yet, click the link down below this video. Inside of this free masterclass, I reveal my 10-step system for building an online business from scratch with nothing but one single page. Plus, I'll show you how thousands of other entrepreneurs just like you and me have used this simple approach to finally start making sales online without needing complicated funnels, 3-hour webinars, or massive e-commerce stores. To get access to this training right now, just click the link right down below this video.